My go-to blade is a Astra Platinum blade. That blade is one of the first blades that I bought. If I get a new razor that someone sends me, that's the first blade that I put in it to shave my face. Because even what other content creators on YouTube, say about a razor, my skin and facial hair is different. I mean, I know some guys that love certain razors and blades that, quite frankly, don't cut my face or can't cut the hair off my face adequately. So, the Astra blade, I can put it in anything. I put it in my Merkur 34C all the time. In that razor, my best double-edged razor is the Gillette Silver Blue. Best shaves I've ever got from that Merkur 34C is that Silver Blue. So in that razor, that is my best blade that I can put in there. Now, going to the Rockwell 6C, it's a Gillette Nasset for me. The Gillette Nasset blades in a Merkur 34C does not work for me. I even made a video and I had to stop in the middle of the video and throw a feather blade in it because, again, I had a lot of growth, and an Astra blade, it would have skipped a little bit on it, where if I put in a more aggressive, sharper blade, like a feather blade, no problem whatsoever. Nasset blades work awesome in the Rockwell 6C for me using the 6 blade. Best shave I've ever got with that razor is with that blade. So Gillette Nasset for me is only working in one razor for me. So, stepping it up a notch for sharpness, that works with any razor I have, one being the Astra, that works with every razor that I have. Stepping that up a notch is the Vashkad. Those blades are smooth, man. I've got some really good shaves, with my Merkur 34C and the Rockwell and my Gillette Fat Boy. That blade it rocks. It's a great blade. Stepping it up another notch is the Gillette Platinums. Man, I can put that in any razor I have as well. That is another razor blade for me that I can put in there anything and get a nice, clean, smooth shave. And, it's another step above the Astra, the Vashkad, and then Gillette Silver Blue, and then a Platinum. From there, I move into like a Wilkinson sword. All arounder, man, that thing's like butter going through you. It's smooth. It's not super aggressive, but it leaves such a smooth feeling on your face with either a Merkur or a Rockwell 6C, which, I use those two quite a bit. Those are my two favorite razors. The R41, I quit using it on my face because the freaking razor terrifies me. I'm not that good yet. When I get better, I will start using it again. Now, I do use it on my head. I love it on my head because it does take off hair with no problem. But those are the two razors that I use a lot, are the Merkur 34C and the Rockwell. I just like those two, and I love them. Stepping it up a notch from that Wilkinson sword is a Permasharp. Butter, baby. That thing it's between the Permasharp and the one I'm going to talk about next are, for me, sharpness that I can go to with anything and not have to worry about it. It's the Permasharp, which I can say I get about almost 5 shaves out of that blade, whereas like an Astra I get like 3, a Vashkad I get like 4, Silver Blue and a Platinum about the same, about 3 or 4. The Permasharp, I've gotten 5 shaves out of that before it started tugging on me, going against the grain first pass, where to me, when a razor blade starts tugging on my skin, that's when I pitch it, bro. And I'll put something else in or replace it with the exact same blade. But again, it all depends on what kind of growth I got and how much I'm shaving is how I dictate what razor I'm going to use and what blade I'm going to put in it. Are you guys the same? Let me know. So my next razor blade is the feather blade. Man, I bought 100 of these too because everybody talks so highly about them, you know, online and on YouTube. Everybody likes them. So, you know, I bought 100 of those, and I use them quite a bit. It's a go-to razor. It's probably the sharpest blade out there, but I can say this. It has a tendency to give me razor burn down here if I don't get the correct angle on my razor. You know, and if you use a safety razor, you know what I'm talking about here. If you don't get the correct angle, for me, you know, down here, I can get razor burn from a feather blade in a Rockwell or a McCurd 34C. Doesn't matter. Getting that blade angle right is key for me down here. So by saying that, I think all around winner for me, Astra. I mean, if I could only pick one razor blade out of all the ones that I've tried and you guys sent me, it'd probably be an Astra. I don't think you can lose with it. Again, with, you know, this much growth, I could get away with, you know, using it in the McCurd 34C. I can throw it on the Rockwell 6 plate and get a glass-like shave when I'm finished. Now, it'll probably take 3 passes, you know what I mean? Or 2 with some touch-up down here, which I frequently do a lot. So, yeah, I think my all-arounder would be an Astra blade. But I gotta say, the Wilkinson sword, man, that's a tough one. It's a middle-of-the-road type of blade, and damn, it's good too. Sharpest to mildest. Feather, Perma-Sharp, Gillette Platinum, Gillette Silver Blue, Wilkinson Sword, Vashad, and Astra. For the ones that I like, that's 6. I can't kick one out. I'm gonna have to give you my 6 because those work for me. And a lot of you guys that watch my channel have, you know, kind of the same skin I have, and, you know, wiry hair. You know, it's thick, and my hair's grown out so much now, it's like starting to itch. So it's either cut in a beard or shave the shit off. That looks pretty good. All right, so we'll go with the cross grain now. Yeah, that's just a much better shape for my face using a feather blade. I won't be using those Nasset blades. I mean, I thought that the Astra blades, because I thought these were mild. Okay. You know what I feel like? That Nasset blade is making me push. Really focusing on that angle. As you guys have suggest riding that guard or the blade on that, that does help me achieve, you know, that angle, that cutting angle. And I'm going to pay attention to that angle in riding the guard. What a beautiful pass. I mean, I honestly think it's this razor. I'm not this good at shaving my face with a safety razor at all. Let's go this side. Let's try to get that angle again. I mean, that's just one long stroke. Amazing. And again, hard spot for me. I think I'm tending to like a more aggressive blade now. I don't know why. All right, cross grain. That angle, David. Same thing over here. Get that angle. Barely holding that razor. I think I'm getting it. Let's see. And look at the lather on that. I'm not that good either. All right. That's nice. Did get my neck though. Not real happy about that. Okay. Better look next time. It's picking up some growth there, Nick. I'm gonna go slow. Well, it looks like there was another nick. Razors tend to drag right there for me. Okay. That's good for that side. Okay. Okay. Really concentrating on that angle. I've come a long way. I used to be able to not get any hair, and I'm getting quite a bit now from everybody's help. Just gonna go a real light touch. I'm highly impressed. I'm floored. The last video I was floored. I'm floored again. I mean, squeaky clean. It's glass. Come on, what else do you want? Hope you guys liked the video, and stay tuned for Sunday's video when we take off all this growth. It'll be interesting. You guys have a great week. Thank you so much.